What happened to my black beans? It is 1 month old. So let's try to check the roots. What is the problem? Why it did not grow faster? So let's try to check the disease of this plant. What is the problem? Why my what happened? Let's try to check. What is the pest eating in the bottom? Or what insect? So this is the disease. Is a blight, or the roots of my black beans has damage. Look at this. That's why the growth of my black beans has stopped, because its roots is defective. So I think this is a blight due to excessive water. So let's try to recover this. We will recover this. So let's cut all the roots has infected area. So we will retain this area, and all the leaves will be cut. We try to recover this black beans. My analysis, my diagnosis is due to excessive water. That's why my black beans has blight. So let's try to recover this. So we will try to plant this. We will try to plant these black beans in this area. We are trying to. I'm just trying to recover this black beans. So let us let's plant this in this position. To with this position, the plant will make more roots until so this is a 1 month old black beans. So we will wait until the black beans will recover. So also this is my wing bean or sigarilyas. This is the other one. So this is our video for today. As soon as possible, I will share a feedback for this experiment. Okay, thank you for watching.